So, wonderful people, I greet you all. Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling, work abroad, and study abroad. What are we bringing today? Study in Finland at twinkle of an eyes. What are you going to study there? Waiter and waitress. Oh, my people, waiter and waitress is very good lucrative profession abroad. When you study waiter or waitress in abroad, you will be traveling all over the world, and anywhere you go, you will gain employment immediately. It's like nurses and doctors. Is a very good profession, and is vocational training. You know that we adults, whenever you go to study abroad, study vocational courses, it will fetch you job immediately. I'm talking to you based on experience because I'm in UK. I know what people are passing through. People have studied law, studied everything, studied psychology, physiology, everything. Once you are foreigner, you are not born there, you won't get job unless you are born there or you came when you are very little. That is where you can compete and gain employment. But you are adult, don't go and waste your money in theoretical courses. Once you study waiter and waitress, chef in abroad, my brother, my sister, you are easy. You are easygoing person. Anywhere you go, employment is waiting for you. It's very employability course, I'm telling you. So if you can pay this, you will go within twinkle of an eye. Japa in Finland, and Finland is very good country. Dream country of everybody. They are very friendly and is very very civilized. They speak English also. This one, you can travel with your family, you can work as well. You see many benefits into it. So my dear people, read the caption very well, read it in between line. When you are very satisfied about it, just you will see the number to contact. Then contact them and tell them that you need to know them. You get to know them through Igbo Class World. When you mention Igbo Class World, my brother, my sister, they will treat you very nice. They will treat you very good. They will treat you preferential. I'm telling you honestly, they are very genuine. So no need to be afraid. This is a very route to the jaba. You want to jaba quickly. You don't want 419 or scammers to dupe you. This is the easy way. This is good solution. This is simple and good solution. Simple and quick solution, my brother, my sisters. I don't give you now nepani and the ban. So read it
Brothers
very
and
well.
sisters,
And
do you need
if
the
you are
link?
ready, then
Say
go.
yes.
If you are
If
not
you need
ready,
the link,
my
I'll
brother, my
admin
sister,
will
prepare
place the link
yourself
in
very
the
well
comment section
before
or
going.
give it to you
Because
direct
this is
in your
ongoing
comment.
thing.
Do
But
you
if
need
need
the
it
link?
immediately,
Where
and
you see the
look
number, you
around,
can chat
look
with the
their
number.
pocket,
If you need the
you know
link,
that
say